The Hindu temple in UAE has recently been inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India. This is the friendship we maintain with the United Arab Emirates. Here comes our Charan Savesh to brief us about India's and UAE's strategic cooperation.
The Chairman Sir, Dean Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Academic Coordinators, Instructors, Teachers and all media co-cadets. I cadet Charan of grade 7th F, standing on a dais to talk to you about a bilateral relationship between India and UAE. The UAE not only serves as a strategic partner but also plays a pivotal role in India's engagement in the Gulf region, highlighting the close rapport between the leaders. Prime Minister visits UAE on February 2024 holds a significance as he was set to inaugurate a temple constructed by the Bocha Sanvasi Sri Akshar Purushottam Swaminarayan Sanstha in Abu Dhabi. This marks his 7th visit to the UAE since 2015. How are India's bilateral relations with the UAE? India and UAE established their diplomatic relations in 1972. The greater push has been achieved in the bilateral relations. When the Prime Minister of India visited UAE on August 2015 and marked the beginning of a new strategic partnership. Further, when the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi visited India on January 2017 as the chief guest of India's Republic Day celebration, it was agreed that their bilateral relationships were to be upgraded into a comprehensive strategic partnership. This gave momentum to launch negotiations for an India-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. Economic relations. The economic partnership between India and UAE flourished with a bilateral trade reaching $85 billion in 2022 to 2023. The UAE is the India's third largest trading partner and the second largest export destination. Also, many Indian companies have set up manufacturing units either as joint ventures or in special economic zones (SEZs) for cement, building materials, textiles, consumer electronics, etc. Under India's revamped FTA strategy, the Government of India had prioritized at least 6 countries or regions to deal with, in which the UAE figures at the top of the list for an early harvest deal or an interim trade agreement. The other countries are the UK, EU, Canada, Australia, Israel and a group of countries in the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC). Cultural relations. UAE has over 3.3 million Indians and Emiratis who are quite familiar and receptive to the Indian culture. Indian cinema, TV, radio channels are easily available and have good viewership. Major theatres, cinema halls, commercial, Hindi, Malayalam and Tamil films. The Emirati community also participate in our annual International Day of Yoga events, and many schools of yoga and meditation centers are successfully running in the UAE. Fintech collaboration. India and UAE are actively collaborating in the fintech sector. Initiatives such as the acceptance of RuPay card in the UAE since August 2019 and the operationalization of RuPay Dirham settlement system demonstrate a mutual convergence in the digital payment systems. What are the different challenges in India-UAE relations? Trade barriers impacting Indian exports. Non-tariff barriers, NTBs, like sanitary and phytosanitary, SPS measures, and technical barriers to trade, TBTs, notably the mandatory halal certification, have impeded India in sectors like poultry, meat, and processed foods. Chinese economic influence in the UAE. China's checkbook diplomacy, characterized by offering low-interest loans, has overshadowed the Indian economic endeavors in the UAE and in the broader Middle East. Challenges of the kafala system. The kafala system in the UAE, which grants the employers the considerable power over the immigrant laborers, mainly those of low-wage jobs, present significant human rights concerns. Concerns over UAE's financial support to Pakistan. The UAE's substantial financial aid to Pakistan raises apprehensions about the potential misuse of these funds, considering Pakistan's history of sponsoring cross-border terrorism against India. What are the steps required to overcome these challenges? Paving way for better relations with the GCC. As a part of the GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council, the UAE has strong economic ties with the Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain and Oman and shares a common market and customs unions with these nations. Compliance to UAE's NTBs. The UAE's tariff structure is bound with the GCC, where applied, the average tariff rate is 5%. Therefore, addressing NTBs becomes very important as its compliance poses a challenge